Welcome India Car Reviews. TVS M1S Electric Maxi Scooter is a futuristic and stylish electric two-wheeler designed for Indian riders seeking power, comfort, and advanced features with an impressive range and premium appeal. The front profile of the TVS M1S instantly attracts attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. The tall windscreen gives it a premium touring look, ideal for long city rides and open highways. Its full LED headlamp setup offers exceptional brightness, with sleek DRLs that create a modern, sharp signature. The front apron is sculpted with muscular lines, blending elegance with strength, while the silken dune color enhances its classy presence. The wide handlebar setup ensures a comfortable riding posture and excellent control even in traffic. The 14-inch alloy wheels and front disc brakes add stability and braking confidence. The aerodynamic fairing reduces wind resistance, making it smoother and more energy efficient at high speeds. The attention to detail in the front design, from the lighting elements to the glossy finish, speaks volumes about TVS's design expertise. Every component feels well integrated and premium, positioning the M1S as one of the best-looking electric scooters in the Indian market today. From the rear, the TVS M1S looks just as dynamic. The tail section carries a sporty yet mature stance, featuring a sleek LED tail light strip that spreads horizontally for high visibility. The integrated turn indicators are compact yet bright, merging seamlessly with the design. The grab rails for the pillion are stylish and sturdy, complementing the scooter's body lines. The silken dune finish continues to the rear, maintaining a unified premium aesthetic. The rear tire is wide and planted, giving the scooter an aggressive and balanced look from behind. There's also a neatly positioned number plate holder and reflector, which add to safety and road presence. The twin-shock suspension at the rear ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven Indian roads. The subtle curvature of the rear panel enhances aerodynamics and gives a smooth flow from the seat to the tail. Overall, the back view completes the premium and futuristic design language that defines the TVS M1S. The interior section, essentially the rider's cockpit and under-seat area, is one of the most advanced in its class. The TVS M1S comes equipped with a 7-inch full-color TFT digital display that provides vital information like speed, range, battery status, ride modes, and navigation. The display is responsive and well-lit, offering perfect visibility in bright sunlight. The handlebar area is ergonomically designed for comfort, with all switches within easy reach. The seat itself is large and cushioned for both rider and pillion comfort. Under the seat lies a massive 26-liter storage compartment, enough to store a helmet, documents, or personal items easily. The fit and finish are excellent, with smooth plastic panels, metallic highlights, and a high-quality seat cover. There's even a smart key system with remote locking and an illuminated storage area, making it more user-friendly at night. The riding triangle feels balanced and relaxed, perfect for long daily commutes or weekend rides. TVS clearly focused on comfort and modern convenience in every detail of the M1S interior. The front section is powered by advanced LED lighting technology that enhances safety and visibility. The headlight design is inspired by premium maxi scooters from Europe, giving it an upscale look. The wide front tire improves grip and handling, while telescopic front suspension ensures a stable and smooth ride. The aerodynamic design not only reduces drag but also improves battery efficiency at higher speeds. The inclusion of a clear windscreen and side mirrors with wide vision angles adds practicality to its design. Combined with the bright silken dune shade, the front view makes a bold first impression wherever it goes. The back side of the TVS M1S emphasizes comfort and stability. The LED tail lamp with clear lens indicators provides modern styling and maximum road visibility. The wide seat extends toward the rear, offering comfortable pillion support. The dual suspension setup ensures smooth rides even on bumpy Indian roads. A neatly integrated charging port is accessible, and the rear fender design minimizes road spray during monsoons. The rear alloy wheel and single disc brake add safety, control, and performance to the scooter's elegant design. The TVS M1S Electric Maxi Scooter is expected to launch in India at a price range of 1.70 lakh rupees to 1.90 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. It is powered by a 4.3 kWh lithium-ion battery pack offering a claimed range of around 150 km on a single charge. The top speed is expected to touch 105 km per hour, making it one of the fastest electric scooters in its segment. Charging time is estimated at about 3 hours using a standard charger. The battery is IP rated for dust and water resistance, ensuring reliability in Indian weather conditions. With strong performance, premium looks, and practicality, the TVS M1S stands as a promising electric scooter for the Indian market.